So this is the Bonsenkitchen hand mixer. So you get lots of different heads with it. Just want to show you how powerful this beast is, and then I'll actually show you it within use. But close up here, you've got an off and on button, you've got your turbo button, which I've not had to use yet because it's a powerful beast, and then you turn up the power, so to speak, just here. So to use it, it's super simple. I've already plugged it in, turned it on, and you'll see here is where the head will go, and here's just normal. And that's it down to just under half. And then if you go turbo, I've never had to use turbo yet because we do this to make like cookie dough, cakes and all this kind of stuff. It works perfectly. Anyway, less of me gabbering, I'm going to show you in use.